told you you were gonna get to see this. Come, let's go. We're going behind the treasure. We're going behind the treasure. What is it? Oh. Oh my god, there's some more. Let's go to the kitchen first. What happens in winter? Squirrels use a clever strategy called catching to store food for winter. This helps them survive when food is scarce, like a big game of hide and seek with their snacks. Squirrels hide tasty treats in secret spots around their home, ready for cold months. Using the mud kitchen, can you create your own winter feast? Wow, let's do it. What are we gonna make?
I know, some pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
Okay. It's looking like some cock stuff. What?
I know.
Oh no, but there's birds. What's it? A magpie, I saw one. Guys, what is this? What happens in winter? Shh, the youngsters are sleeping. Behind you is a home of solitary bees. What? What? Huh? The tube blocked with mud. The tubes blocked with mud contain larvae, baby bees inside. In winter, they spin a cocoon and enter a dormant state. Come spring, they will emerge as adults. So there's bees in there? There's bees in there. Oh, you know what? People should do this at their houses, maybe. Excuse me, people should do this at their houses. Come, there's so many little bee things. But I think this would help, like... Alright, let's get out of here. It's kind of starting to give Blair Witch Project. Guys. There's a bear. I know. Oh, it's muddy. He's sleeping. Don't wake up the bear. Somebody woke up the bear and me. I'm joking.